Hey everyone, it's me, Code1996, and today I'm happy to bring you the Amaray A800 robotic vacuum cleaner. This is a smart robot vacuum cleaner designed to easily clean up pet hair and their messes. It has an ultra thin design at just 2.7 inches thin. It cleans very quietly, and it has a high efficiency filter with a 2600 milliamp battery. It has customizable cleaning schedule and anti-collision, 360-degree cliff sensor, multiple cleaning modes with up to 1400 PA suction, operating power of 28 watts, and a voltage of 14 point. So let's open it and take a look inside. Okay, so this is a nice white color. Here's your owner's manual. You'll want to read this thoroughly before you start setting up your machine. It comes with AAA batteries for the remote. Here's the remote, so you can direct it, start and stop it. There's auto clean, the go home button. You can spot clean. There is the back and forth motion, the max suction power, and you can schedule it right there. That's really nice. Right here you have an extra set of filters. There is the foam premotor filter and then the actual high grade filtration filter. Here is the cord to your charging base. There's a nice long cord on it so you can get access to any plug in your home. We're going to take this out and set it to the side. Under here you have two sets of side brushes. Here is your brush roll and filter cleaning tool. You can dust off and clean your filter or dustbin. You can take these teeth and grab the hair after you cut them with this part right here. Lastly, we have the charging base right here. It's a nice compact charging base. Here we have one of the side brushes, and they're pretty long, they're soft, and here is a little brush that they include, which is a nice design feature. It helps prevent any hair or dust from building up right there around this side brush. So that's a really good feature to have. So before your initial use, you want to make sure that you turn the machine over and push the button to the on position. These side brushes are really easy to attach. You just align the squares and push down, and just like that you can have them attached very easily with no tools required at all. Right here you can see we have a nice size brush roll. There are actual brushes, and there's also rubber brush right here to assist on carpets and hard floors for picking up the pet hair or the cat litter or the pet food. This is a nice design dirt bin. You can easily press here and pull up to access your filter. There's a nice seal all the way around the filter housing, so you can pull these out, tap them out, clean them, and you can also remove this screen right here. If that's blocked with anything, you can clean that as well. So you just take your filters, put them right back down just like this, then you close it, and to open and empty the dirt, you just press down on these right here. There's a nice seal all the way around this as well. So this dirt bin is really sealed up good, so you can just take this and dump out the dirt, then you can close it right back up just like that and place it right back into the machine. Now we take our plug and we plug it right into the charging base just like this. Then you can take your extra cord and wrap it in here as many times as you think you will need to for your plug, how far away your plug is. So I have a plug really close, so I'm going to wrap this in here a few times before you stick it up through this right there, that pathway, to make it flush to the wall. So make sure that there's 3 feet on either side and 6 feet in front of your charging base. Now all we have to do is wait for the flashing purple light to turn solid blue to let us know that it's finished charging. So now we're going to demonstrate the cliff sensor. As you see, the Amaray will not fall down the stairs. So as you see, it's not going to fall off. The machine senses when it's getting close to the edge. So that is really good and fantastic. I really like that it's not going to fall down the stairs. Nothing to worry about here. So to get started with this machine, I'm going to hit the back and forth motion. Went right through all that. Turning back around, going back over this dirty area. You can see it's cleaned up all of that mess right there that I put down on the ground. The cat litter and the cat food. Its strong 1400 PA suction power is enough to pick up the cat litter. You can guide it whichever way you want it to go. So we just guide it right over all of this right here. And this is on the low suction power. So you can increase it to max. Now it's on max. Now it has even more suction. So we're going to hit the spot clean. So we have pet hair and kitty litter on the carpet. It's doing a great job on the kitty litter. Look at that. Nice clean pass. Maybe one or two specks here or there. And it picked it up. It's amazing, because it all looked like this before. So, for around $200, you can get a robot vacuum that actually does pick up heavy dirt and debris off the ground. Look, it's actually grooming the carpet. Make it go right through this. Look at that, nice and clean. Just picked up all that kitty litter. Look at the grooming lines. This machine really does a fantastic job. So this Amaray A800 robotic vacuum has done a fantastic job in picking up kitty litter and cat food from the hard floor and the carpeting. So let's take a look at what it has been able to get off of this rug. Grip it here and pull out. Wow. Just push down on this and it falls down. Look at all of that pet hair. That is crazy. Let's pour it down on the ground. That's all the hair that this Amaray was able to get off of this rug. Isn't that incredible? That is really, really good. This is a really good robotic vacuum, and first test results are very good. So we're going to do a little big mess test with this machine. So we're going to see how well it does with this big mess right here. Make it go right through this. And look at that, the mess is cleaned up. Just a few more pieces of cat litter, we can get those up real quickly. Got a little bit more hair over here. It just picked it right up thanks to the rubber brush head mixed with the actual bristles. And just like that, all the mess is picked up off of the ground, and it is right in here. Look at that. That is really, really good. This is a really good, well-designed robotic vacuum. The Amaray A800 does a really good job. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. If you would like to purchase this Amaray A800 in white, you may click its link in the description below. There's also a link to the black one if you would like to have the black one.